Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW 1 Series window regulator. First, gather your essential tools like screwdrivers, trim removal tools, and your new regulator. Always disconnect the car battery to ensure safety. Then, carefully remove the door panel and any interior trim pieces to access the window mechanism. Take your time with these initial steps. Now, with the door panel off, you can begin removing the old regulator. Carefully detach the window glass from the old assembly and secure it in the up position. Next, unplug all electrical connectors from the motor and wiring harness. Finally, unscrew all the mounting bolts that secure the regulator to the door frame, then gently remove the old unit. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, stay hydrated anywhere with an Owala water bottle, perfect for those long garage sessions. You can find the link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old regulator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new window regulator assembly into the door cavity. Securely fasten all the mounting bolts and reconnect all electrical plugs to the motor and wiring harness. Finally, reattach the window glass to the new regulator mechanism, ensuring it moves smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.